Most drivers usually think a tire is fine as long as it has tread. But you and I know that's not the whole story. Tires age from the inside out, and by the time the signs show up on the surface, well, the clock has been ticking for a while. Let's talk about how to identify when a tire is truly aged out next. One of the easiest clues shows up in how the rubber feels. As tires get older, oxygen, ozone, and heat slowly change the chemistry of the compounds. The rubber stiffens, loses flexibility, and stops absorbing impacts the way it should. Aged rubber often looks and behaves differently. It can appear drier, stiffer, or less flexible when you handle it, especially during mounting or inspection. You might also see small surface cracks along the tread or sidewall. These happen naturally as rubber weathers over time. Light cracking by itself doesn't always mean the tire is at the end of its life, but it is something you can point out to the customer to show how the tire has aged. It helps set realistic expectations about how much longer that tire might stay in usable conditions, even if there's still plenty of tread. Storage plays a part too. Tires kept near heat sources, direct sunlight, or in spaces with poor ventilation can show signs of aging sooner. When a customer brings in a set they've stored at home, a quick visual inspection often reveals whether those conditions accelerated the aging process. Again, not always a safety issue, but definitely a conversation starter. Tread depth still matters, of course. Even if the rubber shows some age, the tire may still have enough tread to remain serviceable. On the other hand, a tire that's both worn and showing signs of aging becomes easier for customers to understand as it nears the end of its life. The goal with aged tires isn't to alarm people, it's to give them a clear picture of what you're seeing. When you explain aging as a normal part of a tire's life cycle, customers make informed decisions, and your shop becomes the trusted voice that helps them understand the difference between old and unsafe. For more tire and service videos, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. I'm David Sickles, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Garage Studio at Babcox Media. Thanks for watching.